5:23 in the morning. We are heading north up to a new lease that we got, actually picked up this week. It's a little over an hour away, just a few miles off the Kansas line, and we drove out last night, try and see if we could just kind of spot anything from the road and kind of grab our bearings a little bit out there. I've never been there before, man, and we saw a couple of young bucks chasing does just from the road, so it's always a good sign, I guess. At least you know there's deer on it. But yeah, so we are en route right now. Gonna try to make it there a little before daylight, pull the truck in and do a little glassing, see if we can't find us a big boy. So we're gonna try to get y'all some footage today. Cross your fingers we get it done. Tether out. Off the bat, I was glassing this creek bottom down here below us, and I spotted a really big buck, but it's hard to tell. He's just super tall, and his front main beams cross, but he never really gave us a good look. It's a really low light. I seen where he went in at the kind of little thicket. I don't know where he bedded at, so I don't know if we're gonna take bows or guns. I don't know what we're really gonna do. I'm trying to get a game plan. This wind's so strong, and this is the first place we pulled in at. It's 3,000 acres. I don't know if it's just a big fork, because that's all I can see. So I have no idea how many points he's got. Like I know he's tall, heavy, and long main beams. So big mature. When I first seen it, I thought it was a cow. There's a lot of cows. I thought it was a cow, and I was like, no, big buck. But so we'll get this game plan and see what we're gonna do. Got a big buck. Here, real good buck. Dude, we're about to get on him. See if we can get done. We seen where he went in at. We just gotta get close to see if we can see him. We've got the wind in our favor, so he's right down. He went in that dark tree right there, so he disappeared. I think he's going in there somewhere, so we can't get on him. tree and just go. You gotta pick that one up. Yeah, why the fuck over there? Come here. Take a tree. Get behind it until you get to that tree. This first tree right here. Let's get in this ditch right here. And then get behind the tree, go right behind the tree. He's in that ditch and he'll see us. He'll see if he can get away from that. Right there. Get behind it and go right to it. Get down. Oh. Get down low and go right to that picture. Stay low, get right here, right behind it. Get right here. Go right to the big tree right there. Yes, that's the big tree. buck bedded. I crawled up in this tree, got him bedded. He's facing away from us. He's with the doe, and there's probably been 8 or 9 different other good bucks around, but he's got all the other bucks out of there. I'm pretty sure it's just him and the doe. We think we could sneak in there with this wind and get Taylor close enough for a bow shot. We're gonna try to sneak to this group of trees. Once we get in there, I'm gonna grunt, stand up. He's facing away from us. He's gonna stand. He should stand up. He should be drawn back. Should be a money shot. So we'll see. We'll see if it works or not. But stick with us. See what happens. It's been crazy. This wind is nuts, man. It's awesome. The buck jumped up when the doe got up, come around. So we're trying to cut it up. We're trying to cut it off. The wind's killing us, so we're trying to cut it off so don't cross the fence. We can come way around. So now we're sneaking in. Gonna try to freaking get in front of it. And if we do bust her, push her back on our property, we can hunt. So let's see what happens. Stay put. We're still chasing. Okay, we got him spotted. He's just right over this hill. This little berm he's about 80 yards from us, if that. It'd be an easy bow kill with the does facing us. So I think we're just gonna do a rifle. I don't know. It's too risky with the doe facing us. I don't know. You might be able to pull back and stand up and get a shot, but I don't know. Decisions. Let's just bust his ass. Ready? Just eat up the tree right there first. he goes.
Ah! Ah! Man!
Got him? Stop.
Got him?
Yeah, I'm on him. Got him. Dropped him.
Boom, son.
Dropped him, dude.
Boom, son.
Dropped him.
That's how you do it.
Dude. Oh my
That's
god.
how you freaking do it. 4 hours of a stalk right there.
Golly. I didn't think that was the same doe, dude. They got moved again on us. Dude.
Dude, that's the 4th time they've moved on us today.
Oh my gosh. He took him forever to leave. Get up.
I thought, man, surely he's in that drainage somewhere, but
Golly.
there were two does in here. That one that we jumped up coming over here, she bedded down.
I could see her the whole time, and like I'm thinking, see, I could see her back there. You know, I knew she was by that tree, way past that tree right there, and you said there's 2 does. I didn't think that was her. Dude. Oh heck, if I known that was only her, I knew I could see her the whole time. We could have snuck around and got right up on him with the bow.
That other doe that we jumped that was sitting over here, she must have just took off.
Yeah, she kept going. Oh man.
Tagged out in Oklahoma, baby. Tag out.
Let's go put some hands on this big
Let's
boy.
go grab that sucker. Let's do it.
Good job, buddy. That was getting stressful. Good shot, dude.
Whoa.
Good shot.
How's that?
Now it's got the wind. Crazy wind.
That's right, baby. Get some of that.
Oh yeah.
Get you some.
The wind kind of helped us a little bit, but also hurting us. Dude, that was a heck of a shot. That's about 200, almost 200 yard shot.
Wind, baby. Just stuff.
Smash. Oh my God. Jumping shooting down that creek.
Yeah, I'm wondering how they got that.
I don't know. My boots are waterproof. Hold on. Right here. Get across right here. Then you can jump across right there.
Huh?
Then you can jump across right there. Don't fall.
Just hand me this stuff, and I'm gonna go over. I'm gonna walk across this, toss me that.
Yeah, we'll hand it to you. I got it. I'm gonna try.
Yeah.
Look at this big toe. Oh crap, dude.
He's a giant.
He's a stud.
That's an Oklahoma stud right there.
It's kind of a 7 point on one side too, but he's got a little crab claw. He's got main beams crossed. He's go across the creek over there.
There he is right there,
There he
dude.
is, baby. How big is he?
He's a good deer.
Is he?
He's a good deer.
I haven't cleaned this camera off. It's raining. Oh man,
Dude, he's a good deer. Look at him cross. Look how heavy he is right there, man. He's almost touching right in there.
Dude, show those G2s off, baby.
Dude, look at
that.
him, man.
Good mature
Man,
buck.
he's just... Dude, how this played out was insane. Saw this deer right at daylight break across a property we haven't even driven a truck into. We drove out yesterday, spotted a couple small bucks chasing some does, and man, we pull in first thing in the morning, not knowing really where to go, just trying to find a vantage point, get it up there, and man, Josh spotted this sucker walking across down here in this little bowl. It's like an empty creek bed. Thought it was a cow at first, because dude, he's a monster-bodied Oklahoma deer, son. And man, we caught him down here, bedding down, out of the wind a little bit. Oh man, it's been what, 4 hours?
I don't know, you have my phone on.
Probably 4 hours.
Well, no, I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're about to go back to the truck and eat some lunch. And man, how this played out was awesome. I'll never forget it. Now I got to give a big thanks to my boy Josh, man. He stuck with me the whole time, helping me, give me pointers, helping me spot this deer.
It was crazy. This guy played cat and mouse. When we were sneaking up, wanted to get a look at him. He was bedded down. We actually almost walked right into him. He got in a bottom where we couldn't see him at. And I spotted him facing us. I don't know how he didn't see us. Don't know. We got down. We watched him for a long time in the wind. And then like all of a sudden his does got up, busted, and they ran, and he ran with them. And then there's like 7 other bucks. You'll see on the video, like just running around. It was chaos there. Couldn't find him. Which buck's this buck? That buck? This buck? It was nuts. And like we just, like I said, just pulled in. Man, yeah, dude, it was awesome.
Yeah, we'd almost given up because we started off, and we'll show you guys here in a second. But we started off back over on the other side of this hill, just kind of glassing where he was bedded down. Comes back around chasing does all out on the other side of the, I mean, probably another 300-400 yards away. Comes all the way back around and just moved on us about 4 or 5 times, and we couldn't see him. We thought we lost him. We bumped a doe on the way to him. He was already bedded down with the doe, and I barely caught a glimpse of him. I just started walking up the ridge right there and caught a glimpse of him, and we just couldn't see him. So man, he ran out. We put a bust on him. What, 200 yards?
Dude, it's a long shot.
250 yards maybe. Oh boy, and you can see we put it right in the soup kitchen. So,
heck yeah.
Well, Josh, thanks again for coming out here with me this weekend. And
I got the biggest bull.
tagged out in Oklahoma, baby. Tagged out.